Hi, hello. You guys
Yeah.
have
Hello.
anything? Hello.
We're looking for just like cool stuff that we could buy, you know?
Oh, cool
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
This is cool. This is pretty cool. This is cool over here.
Alright.
Jellyfish.
These three things are cool.
Those are pretty cool.
Sasquatch.
Yeah.
Onicle. It
Um,
changes color.
Here. This is the coolest thing out of all of them. I think it's this. Pretty cool. It's a party
Ooh, a
hat.
party hat. I've
already
got
has
that,
one on.
though. I've already
Yeah.
got.
Yeah, he already bought it.
Oh, what is this band
If you-
right here? That
Wait,
was
how many
pretty fire.
shiny rocks do you have? Money.
Well, I got 500. You got 500.
Yeah.
Our mom gave
You
us.
could buy it then. You could buy it.
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
gonna buy this little
All right, let's go.
cool
Let's
hat
go.
thing.
You guys found what you wanted?
Hey
Alright,
man,
you
how
guys
does
can
it
buy
look?
it.
shop, dude?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait, are you gonna actually
I
buy the
need
party
it.
hat? Are you gonna actually buy the party hat?
I don't know. It's
Hey.
really not my style.
How dare you! Alright,
I'm just saying.
are you guys done?
I got it.
Alright, I'm just behind the scenes. Alright, they're going over there.
Oh crap!
Oh, I fell.
Oh my head.
Ugh.
How do we get out of
Here,
here?
woke up. How do we get out of here? Yo, wait, what's
What is
this?
that? Pretty
Let me
heavy.
pick it up.
Let me help you.
Ah, pretty.
Alright, go.
You hear about the new superheroes in town?
Yeah, really annoying.
Dude, they're going to ruin our career. We have to destroy them.
Have to destroy them to take over the world.
Yeah, if we don't take over the world, dude, we're doomed. And I don't want to be known as Dr. Jim got doomed. That's just tragic. We need to
We
make
gotta
a
do
plan
this.
fast. Gotta make
Yeah,
a
we
plan.
need.
We'll find
need to
their
make a plan.
weaknesses. We'll find their weaknesses and we'll use it against them, and then we're gonna take over the world. No more superheroes.
Oh, I hear that there's new villains. Better go take them down. I bet they're plotting to right this moment.
Yeah,
What do you think?
I've heard about them. I think we should just like take them down. But
You know, I think that rock is actually correct. Iron Monkey.
Alright, come on, we gotta go. We gotta steal it. See if I get. Come on.
$10 million likes.
Get that.
5K. Oh. Lighter would be perfect.
Everything.
Grab a lighter,
gotta
It would
steal-
be perfect to burn down the HQ for the superheroes.
Yeah, let's go. Grab a lighter. Where the lighters at?
Here. Get out. Yo, get out. It's superheroes. Get out.
Beat him up.
Hey,
Beat him up.
get over here.
Slap him. Hey, slap him. 1, 2, 3.
You just beat us to your own
Punch.
hideout.
Punch.
Alright.
Punch.
Tickle nose. Tickle nose.
Punch.
Pinch. Controller.
Hey, super combo attack.
Dodge. Punch.
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 Stab.
Knockout. I knocked him out. I knocked you out, Blue. I knocked you out.
Stab.
I knocked you out.
Knockout.
Stab in the head.
Cooked. Dodge.
Alright, so where's the
Punch.
Drag.
So,
Yeah.
where's the
Drag.
editor?
Drag.
Where's the editor?
Drag.
Wait, no, my headset.
It died? Did it die? Mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Ja.